In this video, we are going to see that if you're getting this error, an error occurred whenever you are trying to install any particular app from Microsoft Store in Windows 11 or Windows 10, here's a quick fix for you. So what we can do is just go to the start menu and right here, services, open that up and search for Microsoft Store install service. Now it's very simple to find it here. Although we have a lot of services, but you just click on any particular service and just press M on your keyboard. It will directly take you to this M section, and all of that is alphabetically arranged perfectly. So you should have no problem finding it. Microsoft Store install service. That's what we need. Just double click on it and make sure the startup type should be automatic. So if not, just change it to automatic. Click on stop the service and click on start again. Wait for it for 5 to 10 seconds and click on apply and OK and close out of here. Then we open the start menu again and click on the settings. Click on the apps and just search for app and features. Right here, store. You'll get Microsoft Store. Click on that and click on advanced options. Here we have two options. Either we can reset or we can repair. First, let's try repairing it. Click on repair. It might take some time and it will repair that for you. After that, just try installing the same application and see if it solves the error or not. If not, you can finally click on reset in order to reset that completely and see if that works. Close out of here. And then what we do is just open the start menu and right here, WS reset. And you will get this run command. Click on that. Actually, let's close this. We want to run this as administrator. Right click on it and click on run as administrator. I'll just make it full screen and make it large. It will process a little bit and then it will open Microsoft Store for you. So as you can see, after processing a little bit, it opens up the Microsoft Store. After that, you can easily install any application without getting an error. So that's how it is done. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.